So this is part 2 of the door slider installation in my Barndominium project. It was a little more complex than what I originally thought. We were able to transport those in part 1 over the pass on a truck, 2 sliders, and then get them up onto the mezzanine, which is over 10 feet high or 12 feet high. And today we're actually going to be loading those up from the outside. And the reason for that is they've got these nail fins that only attach from the outside in. So we've actually got to take the sliders out of the upper mezzanine onto a platform that I made, which is basically a pallet with a piece of plywood on it, nailed in so that it doesn't move. We're actually going to lift that with a tractor, get it to the right height of the opening of the deck, and then we're going to slide that heavy door slider out onto the pallet, twist it into position, and then push it back in so that the nail fins can be nailed or screwed into the side. So it's a little bit more sketchy in terms of difficulty. But we'll try to figure that out on the fly. I've got a couple guys, Ian and Austin, here to help me. So stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, we're going to try to put these sliders up on the shop here using this tractor and a pallet. We've got the other side in, so hopefully we can get this side in as well. Yep. A little more. Right there. Is that good?
Yeah, I don't know if you can go.
Can you go up anymore? Wow, look at that. We got the sliders in, and then I used some extra siding to fill in the holes, and now it's looking pretty sharp. So next step will be to set the posts for the deck and get a deck built. Hopefully we can get at least the posts in before the weather changes. It's getting cold pretty fast here, and I'm hoping we don't get snow or a lot of rain to fill the holes once we dig those up. So more on that step by step. It's coming together.